अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि तआला वबरकातुह।
علينا وعليكم السلام أهلا وسهلا.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, yesterday we have learned about the lesson number 13. It's the first part. And today, inshallah, we will do its exercise. Okay. So any of you will read and translate this lesson yesterday we have learned. Then after that we will do its exercise. Who will read and translate? Raise your hands, please. Okay. Ausipian, you read this one because Binte Ibrahim yesterday she has read.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Man haula'in fiyatun tawalu ya Ali.
Iwalu. There is a shadda. Under the shadda there is a kasra.
Tiwalu ya Ali. Who are these tall young men, O Ali? Whom tulabun jududun.
Good.
They are new students. Min aina hum. From where they are. Hum minan.
Min.
Hum min.
Okay, good.
Hum min America. They are from America. Ahum Suman Uga. Are they
Malauka.
Malauka? Are they your classmates?
Okay, good.
Naam, yes. Hum Suman E. Hum free. Firstly, yes, they are my friend, my classmate.
My classmate.
They are in my class.
Okay, good.
Ahum mustahiduna. Are they hardworking?
Good.
Ma asma'uhum.
What are their names?
What are their name? Okay. Asma'uhum. Yasin. Yasirun. Wasakaria. Wa Musa. Wa Andullahi.
Wa Abdullahi.
Wa Abdullahi. Their name Yasin, Shakia, Musa, and Abdullah.
Yasir, Zakaria, and Musa. Yasir, Zakaria, and Musa. In Arabic, we don't translate this vowel again and again. We only translate the last vowel.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Waman haula islajalun fisalu. And who are these?
Waman haula irrija lul kisaru. Rija lul kisaru.
Lun Gisaru. And who are these short men? Whom Jun. They are Pirikan.
Okay, good.
Min Aina whom. From where they are. Ba'aduhum Minas Sini. Wa jadduhum minan banu
Minal Yabani. Minal Yabani.
minan yabani. Some of them are from China and some of them are from Japan.
Okay, good.
Ainan mutadfa wa asdifa uhu. Where is Mutadfa and his friend? Sahabu Ilan Mas'ami. They went to the restaurant.
Okay, thank you. And this is the exercise. Question number 1. Change the subject of the following sentences into a plural. We have to change them into a plural. Hada talibun. Hada talibun. So talibun is a singular noun. And hazihi is a singular demonstrative pronoun. For a singular noun, we use single demonstrative pronoun, and for the plural pronoun, tullabun, we use plural demonstrative pronoun. And plural of haza is haulai. Plural of haza is haulai. And same, the plural of hazihi is also haulai. Hazihi is also haulai. So for feminine and for masculine, for both we use haulai. And these are the, all this row is singular, and this one is the masculine. We have to make them masculine. So we have to use here the masculine demonstrative pronoun. Haza talibun, this is a student. Haza talibun, this is a student. Haula ittulabu, these are students. Haulai, these are students. Haza tajirun, this is a merchant. Haza tajirun, this is a merchant. So haulai, these are. Tujarun, these are merchants. So here all we have to fill in the blanks by using haulai. We have to use haulai. Until the end, we just have to use haulai. In this question, there is nothing new to do. Who of you will do this one? Any of you want to do this one? Okay, Mahmoud. Unmute your mic, please.
No. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hadha tujarun. This is a merchant. Haulai. Haulai.
Haza tajirun. Haza tajirun. This is a merchant.
Hadha tajirun. This is a merchant. Haulai tujarun. These are merchants.
These are merchants. Good.
Hadha hajjun. This is a pilgrim.
Good.
Haulai hujjajun. These are pilgrim.
Okay, good.
Hadha rajulun. This is a man. Haulai rijalun. These are men. Hadha kabirun. This is big.
Okay, good.
Haulai kibarun. These are big.
Okay, good.
هذا صغير. This is small. هؤلاء صغار. These are small. هذا قصير. This is short. هؤلاء قصار. These are short. هذا طويل. This is long. هؤلاء طوال. These are long. هذا
Okay.
ولد.
Hada tavilun. This is tall. Hada tavilun.
هذا
Tavilun. This is tall.
هذا طويل. This is tall. هؤلاء طوال. These are tall.
Okay, good.
هذا ولد. This is a boy. هؤلاء أولاد. These are boys.
These are children. Hada
These are
waladun.
children.
Hada
These
waladun.
are
This is a child. Waladun we use also child. We use also child. Oladun children.
children.
Yes. In oladun, feminine and masculine both are including. Okay, next.
هذا ابن.
Hazabnun. Hazabnun. Hamzatul wasal.
هذا ابن.
Yeah, Hamzatul wasal we don't pronounce.
هذا ابن.
Good.
This is a son.
Okay, good.
هؤلاء أبناء.
Okay, good.
These are
Sons.
sons. هذا أم. This is an uncle.
Good.
هؤلاء أعمام. These are uncles.
Good.
هذا شيخ.
Hada Shaykhun. This is a scholar. This is a,
This is
a
scholar.
scholar. Yes, this is a scholar.
Yes. This is a scholar. هؤلاء شيوخ. These are scholars.
Scholars. Good.
Mm.
Okay.
هذا ضيف. This is a guest.
Okay, good. Daifun. Hada Daifun. This is a guest.
هذا ضيف. This is a guest. هؤلاء ضيوف. These are guests.
A guest. Good.
هذا زميل. This is a classmate.
Okay, good. Classmate.
هؤلاء زملاء.
Classmate, or we can say colleague. Classmate or colleague.
colleague. هؤلاء زملاء. Ustaz, this is زملاء or زملاء?
Zumala'u. This is mamnu min as-sarf. This is a diptot. This is diptot. Mamnu min as-sarf. The nouns mamnu min as-sarf, they don't take tanween. They don't take tanween and they don't take kasra.
No.
Okay. You will learn in the last lesson of this book about the diptots.
No. هؤلاء زملاء. These are mates.
Okay. These are colleagues. These are colleagues. These are okay.
No. هذا فقير. This is a poor.
Good.
هؤلاء فقراء. These are poor.
Okay, good.
هذا غني. This
What?
is rich.
Okay, good.
هؤلاء أغنياء. It's still similar. Agniya'u.
Yes, still they are mamnu min as-sarf. They don't take tanween.
Mamnu min as-sarf, are they the Hamza or
Mamnu min as-sarf, they don't take tanween. They don't take tanween.
no?
Yeah. So if the ending there is no tanween, we call it mamnu min as-sarf.
No. So these are rich. Hada sadiqun. This is a friend. Haulai asdiqa'u. These are friends. Hada dabibun. This is a doctor. Haulai atibba'u. These are doctors.
Okay. Good.
Hada
Fatan.
Hada fatan. This is a child.
This is a young boy. This is a young man. Fatan,
This
young
is
man.
a young man.
Yes.
Fata.
Fatan, young
No.
man.
Okay. Haulai fityatun. These are young men.
Good.
Hada akhun. This is a brother. Haulai ikhwatun. These are brothers. Hada jadidun. This is new. Haulai jududun. These are new. Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Haulai mudarrisuna. These are teachers.
These are
Hada muhandisun. This is an engineer. Haulai muhandisuna. These are engineers. Hada fallahun. This is a farmer. Haulai fallahuna. These are farmers. Hada mujtahidun. This is hardworking. Haulai mujtahiduna. These are hardworking. Hada muslimun. This is a Muslim.
okay.
Haulai muslimuna. These are believers.
Okay, these are believers. These are Muslims. Okay, good. So in the next question, we have to change printed red plural and reconstruct the sentence. We have to reconstruct the sentence. Man haza rajulu huwa hajun. Rajulu is singular. So its demonstrative pronoun is also singular. And its pronoun is also singular huwa. Okay. Man haza rajulu, who is this man? Huwa hajun. Hajun also singular. Hajun is also singular. He is a pilgrim. Man haza rajulu, who is this man? Huwa hajun, he is a pilgrim. So we have to change this into the plural. Man haulai. Haza change into haulai. Rajulu change into rijalu. Plural of rajulu is rijalu. Man haula irrijalu. Who are these men? Who are these men? Hum hujajun. Hum hujajun. Okay. So huwa change to whom. Plural of huwa is whom. Hum and plural of hajun is hujajun. Hum hujajun, they are pilgrims. And this is the example. And by following this example, we have to give the answer by using plural forms here. So who of you is willing to do this one? Okay, Binte Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ustaz.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Number 1, min aina hadha talibu huwa min al-Hind. From where this student belongs? He is from Hind. Min aina haula'i tullabun. From where these students belongs to? Hum min al-Hind. They are from Hind.
They are from Hind. Okay, good.
Aina tajirul kabiru, where is the big merchant? Huwa fis suqi, he is in the market. Aina tujjarul kibaru, where are the big merchant? Hum fis suqi, they are in the market. Number 3, Aina al mudarrisul jadidu, where is the new teacher? Huwa indal mudiri, he is with the principal. Ainal mudarrisu nal jududi, where are the new teachers? Hum in the,
Aina mudarrisul jududun.
yes sir. Ainal mudarrisul jududu. Sorry,
Judu.
Ainal mudarrisul jadidu. Where
Judu.
is the new?
Jadudu.
Yes sir. Ainal mudarrisun al jududu. Where are the new teachers? Hum in dal mudiri, they are with the principal.
Okay, good.
Number 4, Aina talibul jadidu, where is the new student? Ahuwa fil fasli, is he in the classroom? Aina tullabul jududu, where are the new students? Ahum fil fasli, are they in the class? Number 5, Ahadha talibu ghaniyun, is this a rich student? La, no, huwa fakirun, he is a, yes sir,
Is this a rich student? Okay. Is this student? Haza talibu is this student.
yes sir, is this student is rich? La, no, huwa fakirun, he is poor. Haula'i tullabul aghniya'u, are these,
Haula ittulabu.
yes sir, haula'i tullabul aghniya'u, yes sir,
Tulabu aghniya'u. There is no alif lam. There is no alif
yes,
lam. Aghniya'u. Haula ittulabu aghniya'u.
yes sir. Sir, ahazatullabul aghniya'u, are these students are rich? La hum fakirun, no, they are rich.
La
Right,
hum
sir?
la hum fuqara. La hum
Sir, are you listening me?
fuqara'u.
Sir, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you. La hum fuqara'u. Plural fakirun is fuqara.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think there is a problem with your network, so it's okay.
No, sir, there is no problem, sir. No, sir.
So please
Yes,
continue.
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, number 8, li akhun kabirun. Li akhun kabirun.
Man
I
has
have,
man hazar rajulu. Who is this man?
yes, sir. Yes,
Man
sir. Man hadha rajulu, who is this man? Who was zaifun? He is a guest. Man haula'ir rijalu, who are these men? Whom zuyufun, they are guest.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. So number 7th, li akhun kabirun, I have a younger brother, huwa talibu bil jamiati.
I have the older brother. Kabirun, older brother, big brother.
Yes, sir, big brother. Yes, sir. Li akhun kabirun, I have elder brother, huwa talibu bil jamiati. He is,
Huwa talibun bil jamiati.
Yes, sir. Huwa talibun bil jamiyati. He is a student in the at the university. Now the plural is li akhwanun kabairun.
Li ikhwatun kibarun. Li ikhwatun
Ikhwatun
kibarun.
kibarun. Yes, sir. Li ikhwatun kibarun. I have elder brothers whom tullabun bil jamiyati. They are students in the university. Number 8, Aina Sadikuka. Where is your friend? Zahaba ilal maktabati. He went to the library. Sir, Aina al asdiqaikum. Where
Aina,
are your friends?
aina. There is no alif lam.
Yes, sir. Aina asdiqaukum.
Sadiku is mudaf. Sadiku is mudaf. Ka is mudaf ilay. And mudaf cannot take alif lam. Mudaf cannot take tanween.
Yes, sir.
Aina.
Sir, where? Yes, sir.
Okay, please continue.
Sir, Aina asdiqaukum. Where are your friends?
Okay.
Zahabu ilal maktabati. They went to the library.
Aina asdiqauka. Aina asdiqauka. Where are your
Yes, sir.
friends?
Yes, sir. Aina asdiqauka. Where are your friends? Zahabu ilal maktabati. They went to the library. Number 9, Muhammadu lahubnu saghirun.
Muhammadun lahubnun sagirun.
Yes, sir. Muhammadun lahubnun saghirun. Muhammad is shorter than your son.
Muhammad have a small son. Muhammad have a Muhammadun lahu. Lahu he
Yes,
has.
sir. Yes, sir.
Muhammad
Muhammad yes,
small son.
has
short.
a small son. Yes, sir. Huwa talibu fil madrasati. He is student in the madrasa or in the primary school. Muhammadun lahubnaun saghairun.
Lahu
Sorry, sir. Muhammadul lahubnaun. Yes, sir.
abna'u. Muhammadun lahu abna'un abna'u sigarun.
Yes,
Abna'un
sir.
sigarun. Abna'un sigarun.
Sigarun. Yes, sir. Muhammadun lahu abna'un sigarun. Muhammad has short sons whom tullabun fil madrasati. They are student.
Not short. For short, isarun. Sagirun, small in
Younger.
age, little in age.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Muhammad has sons younger in age whom tullabun fil madrasati. They are student in the madrasa. Azamiluka mujtahidun. Are your friend hardworking? Naam huwa mujtahidun. Yes, he is hardworking. Azumalauka mujtahiduna.
Okay.
Are your friend hardworking? Are your friends hardworking? Naam hum mujtahiduna. Yes, they are hardworking.
Okay. Okay, good. The next lesson is Abna'u Muhammadin. Next is Abna'u Muhammadin. So how to make this here? Abna'u hu. Abna'uhu. Abna'u Muhammadin, we will change into Abna'uhu. Muhammad's sons. Abna'u Muhammadin, Muhammad's son. And now we will use pronoun here. This here is a proper noun and we will change into pronoun. Abna'uhu, his sons. So example is Abna'un, Abna'u Muhammadin. Muhammad's son. Abna'uhu, his son. So same like this. Asma uttulabu. This is asma'un. So what we will do here? We will do here asma. Asma Uttulabu. Asma uttulabi. Names of the students. So this is mudaf and this is mudaf ilay. Okay. Asma'uhum. Asma'uhum. Their names. Asma'uhum. Their names. Zumala'u. Zumala'u Hamidin. Hamid's friend. Zumala'u Hamidin. Hamid's friend. So Zumala'uka, your friend. Zumala'uka, your friend. But here it should be who. Zumala'uhu, his friend. This ka, this is maybe this is because of a misprinting. So here it should be Zumala'uhu, his friend. Asdiqa'u, Asdiqa'ul Mudarrisi, teacher's friend. Friends of teacher. Asdiqa'uhu, Asdiqa'uhu, his friends. So Zumala'u colleagues and Asdiqa'u friends. And the next is we have to change this first form of the verb into the plural form. Change the subject of the following sentences into plural as shown in the example. So subject is here at-tulabu. We have to change the subject. This is a singular. We have to change it into plural. At-talibu, at-tulabu. Zahaba, zahabu. At-talibu, jalasa fil fasli. At-tulabu, jalasu fil fasli. At-tulabu, jalasu fil fasli. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-fasli. So here will be kharaju min al-madrasati. Al-mudarrisuna kharaju min al-madrasati. At-tajiru zahaba ila suqi. At-tujaru zahabu. At-tujaru zahabu ila suqi. And this is for reading. Okay. So who of you will read and translate this one? We have only 3 minutes. Okay. Umme Muhammad. Please open your mic.
Can you listen?
Yes, we can listen.
Tulabu. Students are in classroom.
I think you have a problem with the network, so it's okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Hajrat Ali. Please open your mic.
Assalamu warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Iqra wa uktub. At-talibu fil fasli. The student is in the classroom.
Okay, good.
Man huwala'i.
Man
haula'i. Man haula'il awladu.
Okay, good.
Is it right, sir?
Right. Man haula il awladu.
Who is boys?
Who are these boys?
Who are these boys? Right, sir. Who are these boys? Plural.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Ahum abna'uka. Ahum abna'uka. Is your
Are they your sons? Are they abna'uka your sons? Are they your sons?
Yes.
La, no, hum abna'u akhi. They are my brother's son. Hum abna'u akhi. They are my brother's son. They are my nephew. Man haula in nasu. Who are these men? Hum hujajun min Turkiya. They are pilgrim from Turkey. Aina tujaru. Where are the merchants? Zahabu ila suki. They went to the market. Man haula irrijalu. Who are these men? Hum duyufun. They are guests. Al falahuna fil huquli wa abna'uhum fil madrasati. The farmers are in fields. Huqul, farmhouse or field. The farmers are in the field and their sons are in the school. Ainat tulabul jadudu. Where are new students? Ba'duhum fil fasli. Some of them are in class. Wa ba'duhum in dal mudiri. And some of them is with the headmaster. Amami tujarun kabirun. Amami tujarun kabirun. My uncles are big merchants. Haulai ikhwati. These are my brothers. Aina abna'uka. Ya Ali, where are your sons, O Ali? Hum fid dukani. They are at the shop.